Look what I got my hands on. It's the Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelato 33 Intense. And I stumbled upon this on Mercari, guys. I couldn't find it anywhere else, but I took the plunge and I went ahead and blind bought it. So is it real? Is it fake? I guess let's just find out. Welcome to my very first ever YouTube video. And I'm here because I want to share with you what I found on Mercari. And it's the Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelato 33 Intense. I'm not sure if it's real or fake. I couldn't find anything about it online. But 6 months ago, Mona posted about starting a keto diet and that gelato is her weakness. And a few days ago, she had a makeup challenge that uses marshmallow as her makeup tool. So I was wondering if it's a hint of what's coming. So I guess we'll find out. Today we'll unbox this together with you. But let me show you what the bottle box looks like. And here's the back. And it has notes of pistachio gelato, hazelnut, sweet rum, whipped cream, marshmallow, and cotton candy. That sounds delicious. So I just realized I'll show you a backup bottle of my Vanilla 28, and I just realized that the pistachio gelato doesn't have all the ingredients at the back. So I don't know if it's fake. I'm kind of nervous. And let's see what it's like on the bottom. They don't look the same to me. But let's see what the new Kayali Vanilla Royale, the bottom of the bottle looks like, and let's compare. I think this looks like they're almost identical. They have the English ingredients right there and the Arabic on the bottom, and there's the batch codes right there. So that looks a little better. And let's go ahead and unbox this baby. So one thing that I want to point out here is the Kayali logo. And I have here my backup of the Vanilla 28, and look how nicely centered that logo is. And look at this new Kayali Yum. It's off-centered. And I'm not sure if that's a defect or what, but it makes me nervous that it's off-centered because it might be fake. But I guess let's just go and unbox this. It's also kind of dented up here. Look at this bottle. And the back has all the notes right there. Let's look at the bottom of the bottle. looks gorgeous. Alright, so let's take a closer look on this beautiful bottle. It is heavy, and the cap feels like it's ceramic. Actually, it's hefty, and the bottle is frosted, as you can see, and you can see the juice inside. And this is what the bottom looks like. And it looks real to me, aside from the off-centered logo here on the box. The bottle looks hefty, and it's beautiful. So today I will go ahead and wear this, and as soon as I can, I will upload another video reviewing this scent and the longevity and the performance. So stay tuned. And I just want to add that I found one article talking about this perfume and some TikToks, but I'll link the description below on where you can find that article. And if you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.